Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. You are safe. So, this is your general love reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, I hope it help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because this is the general love reading. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, and thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel, for commenting beautiful messages to me, for sharing your experiences. I really appreciate that. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's see. Let me adjust myself. Okay, now I'm ready. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Let's see. Six of Pentacles. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Okay. Nine of Cups. Knight of Wands. What are the messages? Page of Swords. The Devil. What is happening, Aquarius? Let me see first. Okay. What are the messages? Queen of Wands. Magician. What are the messages? Ace of Swords, Justice. Aquarius, you are manifesting your clarity. You are manifesting your clarity. You are manifesting your karmic justice. And you're getting it. You're getting your clarity. You're getting your justice. Knight of Pentacles. It is coming towards you. Maybe right now you are unable to see it. But it is coming towards you, Aquarius. There is Knight of Pentacles. There is Six of Wands. You will get your success, recognition, victory. Any other message? Wow. The Lovers. Any other message? Any other message? Nine of Swords. Okay. Nine of Wands. 6699. 9 6. There is a lot of 6 and 9. Usually I don't read these cards like this, but today I'm seeing a lot of 6 and 9s. Maybe you are seeing your number synchronicity. Maybe there is strength here. There is Six of Swords. There is an Emperor here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Wands. Any other message? Moon, King of Pentacle and King of Cups. Okay. There are two energies around you, Aquarius. There are two energy Aquarius around you. There is a player kind of energy with this Knight of Wands who is spying on you, who is keeping tabs on you, that what my Aquarius are up to. Can you see how nervous I am? I'm biting my nails. I'm okay, fine. Fine, okay. This is some player kind of energy, some in and out energy. Okay. Hierophant, Ten of Wands, Six of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Aquarius, there is someone around you who is a player kind of energy which is coming here, which is not good for you. There is some toxicity which is attached to this person. You are rising as in maybe this Queen of Wands is here, but I need to clarify these cards in the extended reading, then I will tell you more about it. And here I cut my nail. Okay, so this energy is heavy around you. Okay, so there is someone around you which you think that it is my wish fulfillment. 0707 was the recording reading time. Nine of Cups, Knight of Wands, Page of Swords and the Devil. There is someone around you who is keeping tabs on you, who is looking that what my Aquarius are up to through social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, anything. But that one is the toxic one and that one is a player kind of energy. Nine of Cups is also tell me that someone who is indulged in alcohol, a maybe you are expecting equal amount of give and take from that person, but now you are manifesting your karmic justice, Aquarius. You're manifesting your justice, your clarity. You are stuck in a situation for a long period of time maybe, and you are fed up of this situation maybe. You're manifesting your justice and your clarity. You want justice in your life. You are saying that I want to know my where my life is going to in the near future. You want clarity, you want karmic justice, and you're manifesting it, and you have all tools to manifest it. The magician belongs to Aquarius. Yes, you can manifest anything, but it is coming. Your clarity is coming towards you, Aquarius. It is coming. Maybe you can't be able to see right now because there is Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands and the Lovers is here. Knight of Pentacle is someone. Knight of Pentacle is the slowest energy, slowest card in the tarot deck. Maybe right now you will be looking like my clarity is not coming towards me. I'm not getting any type of clarity, but it is coming. You will get your success, recognition, victory in your love life. The Lovers is here. And some of you Aquarius are unable to sleep at night. There is nine of 1 minute. Okay, there is Nine of Swords and there is Nine of Wands. You are unable to sleep at night. You are spending sleepless nights and you are ready to fight with this one wand remaining. But do not worry, here it is the Ten of Wands. You are completing a you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders. You're ready to fight. You are in a mood to you're protecting your energy. That's what I'm getting from these cards. You're not giving up. You are protecting your aura. You're protecting your energy. You're moving forward after spending so many sleepless nights. You're keeping your strength. See here, the strength card is here. You're keeping your strength with you. You coming towards the calmer waters. Do not worry at all. Whatever situation was there, you're coming towards the calmer waters here by keeping your strength, by not giving up. Okay, and there is lot of 6 and 9. Okay, I do not know why there is 6 and 9. But there is 6 and there is 9. Lot of 6 and 9s. Okay, you're coming towards the calmer waters. You're taking the energy of emperor. Okay, you're rising as an emperor. You're taking the control of your life. Okay, and saying that now I have to take decisions of my life. I have an authority to take the decisions of my life, and you're taking the charge, the control of your life in your hand. Okay, basically, but there are some secrets which are hidden from you, which you do not know about. Okay, there are some, the moon energies here. There is some secrets which are coming towards you, which you do not know. There is King of Pentacle, King of Cup, Hierophant, Ten of Wands, Six of Cup, and Ten of Pentacle. There are two energies around you, Aquarius, and there is, both are from your past, because Six of Cup is there. In either with this one person, you are married with this one person. Okay, there is King of Cup and there is King of Pentacle. You are married with one energy, but something is hidden. There are some secrets which are hidden in this King of Pentacle energy, and this is the person who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage their finances. Maybe they are very well settled by financial terms, by material vices, but there are some secrets which are hidden from you. Okay, and with this King of Cups, Hierophant, Ten of Wands, Six of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles, there is someone from your past. Either you are going to get married, or they want to get married to you, but they're carrying lots of burdens on their shoulders. Okay, the Ten of Wands is here, the Six of Cups is here, and they want to give you Ten of Pentacle. There are two energies around you. King of Cups, this is the second energy, but this is also from your past, and Six of Cup is a soulmate card. They want to give you Ten of Pentacle. Beautiful thing they want to give you. Ten of Pentacle is all about abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of everything, happiness, everything. They will want to create Ten of Pentacles with you, and they want to get married to you. Either they are committed to you, you both are in a commitment. Okay, or they are going to commit you in a relationship, or you are going to get married to this person. They want to get married to you, but they're carrying lots of burden on their shoulders. But this is the completion of the 10. This is what I can see, a mirroring, right? 6 and 9, this is maybe your twin flame, your soulmate. That's why here you are carrying 9 of Wands and they're carrying 10 of Wands. Yeah, and this King of Cup is someone who is emotionally stable, grounded, who knows the values of emotions. They are full of emotions basically, and they're ready to share the cup with you. They want to get married to you. Here it is, the Hierophant. I need to see what are the messages of these cards in the extended reading. I'm going to clarify these cards. Do not worry more, because here I'm getting a little bit confusing story here for you today. Energies, I can say that, because why I'm saying that is, there is some Knight of Wands. There is someone who is coming towards you, Aquarius, but they are someone who is, there is someone around you who is keeping tabs on you. Maybe in the past they were keeping tabs on you, and now you are looking towards the karmic justice. High Priestess. Tower. Yeah, right. Any other message? Any other message? See, that's what I told you. Like while shuffling, also I don't tell you this, but while shuffling, also I was getting some cards while shuffling also, and that was like an hangman. See, that's what I just feel like an hang in this reading. Okay, I cannot able to process your reading because it was the energy here today is like an hang, like your phone gets hanged. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having the Lovers here. Do not worry, whatever you are feeling like an hangman, you will get the Sun here because the Sun is here. You are getting new beginnings. The happy beginnings are coming towards you. You are using your intuitions, and there is some kind of Tower moment. Unexpected changes are happening in your life. Divine is intervening in your situations. There are things which are shaking up your ground, okay, so that you can make necessary changes which are important for you in your love life. Okay, let me see any other message. But there is someone around you. See, Hierophant is here, and bottom of the deck I'm having the Emperor. One more time. Wow, the Empress is here. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Empress again. So yes, there is again Justice and the World card. You're completing a cycle, that's it. You need to complete a cycle. You're wrapping up your cycles because there is a lot of 9 in this reading. 9, 6, Empress, and the Fool is here. You're going to take a leap of faith in this Empress, and you're going to move in a forward direction. Right now you're feeling like an hangman, but do not worry. The karmic justice is going to serve in your case, and you're completing a Wolf is here because, okay, you're completing a cycle. Either you were married to this person, or you are going to get married to this person. Okay, you're getting your commitment, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages. Joy. What are the messages? Joy, grief, and miracle. You need to keep your joy, Aquarius. Keep positive. Keep yourself. Keep remaining. No. Wait a second. Remain positive. That's the message I'm getting for you. Remain positive. Feel joy. Maybe some of you Aquarius are having any grief, a loss over something. Okay, maybe there is something around you. Maybe a pet, because here this girl is holding a pet and crying over this. But do not worry, a miracle is going to happen around you, for you Aquarius. Whatever changes are happening right now for you, it was necessary. It is necessary because divine has a plan for you. That's the message I'm getting for you. Okay, do not feel grief at all. I know uh it's not easy to let go of someone who is very much near to you, okay, but it's okay. That's the natural process. That is the natural process. Even everyone has to go through that process, okay, so it's okay. Some after some loss of your near one, you're going to get some kind of miracle, okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having Soulmate. See, that's why I told you this is more of a mirroring. I was right, okay. Okay, you will discover, Aquarius. Discovery is here. You will discover yourself, that who you are at a soul level. Okay, you're going to discover, and the discovery is happening for you. And do not worry, the divine is here. Can you see there is an angel? The divine is here, and there are flowers here, and there are faces which are making it. All are with you. You are not alone. The all universe, the moon, the angel, the divine, the flower, the nature, everyone is there to heal your heart, to get to know, to help you out, to so that you can get a discovery about yourself, about who you are as a soul. They are helping you out. See, wisdom, you're getting more wisdom. The high priestess was there. You're getting more wisdom, and the soulmate is here. So this is your soulmate which is coming towards you. But in the clarification, I'm going to see these cards and see healing. That's why discovery is here. Getting your healing, Aquarius. Okay, there are so many cards here, but I will take it. See, again the miracle has come here. Some kind of miracle is happening, is going to happen in your life. And can you see there is 33, number 33. Yeah, right, 33. Lot of multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. Lot of 9 and 6 are here. Miracle is going to happen in your life. The frequency of miracle supports our belief in ourselves as a part of source, and therefore our belief that anything is possible. And that's right. Maybe some of you Aquarius has gone through a lot of things in your life, and you are giving up that no, it is not going to happen for me, never ever. But it's not the thing, Aquarius. Here I am looking a twin flame for you, a soulmate for you. Okay, your heart chakra, can you see there is a heart chakra? Again, your heart chakra is getting open. You have to believe it. Again, the belief is here. Believe it. Believe on yourself. Keep your strength with yourself. Your scrotal chakra and the heart chakra is getting healed. And if it is not healed, then you have to do your healing on your scrotal chakra and your heart chakra. Maybe it is blocked. So you have to work on your 2 was the recording reading time. You have to work on your scrotal chakra and heart chakra. Okay. The frequency of heart chakra, the green flower of light, supports our capacity to love deeply and unconditionally. Its healing properties harmonize the mind and the body. Beautiful message. Then there is frequency of scrotal chakra. The orange flower of light supports our ability to flow with our desires and stimulates our creative power to manifest success and abundance in our life. As you are manifesting also, Aquarius. So the more your scrotal chakra is healed, open, you will be more able to manifest your things in your life. So maybe some of you Aquarius, the scrotal chakra was blocked, but now it is opening up. It is going to heal. Okay, maybe the healing is required in the scrotal chakra. And there is belief. The frequency of belief supports our sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to the source. So you have to believe on universe, believe on divine. Okay, believe that everything which is happening, it's happening for your good, Aquarius. Okay, but do not worry at all. You are coming towards the karma waters. There is someone around you who is your twin flame, the soul mate for you. Okay, so that was let me see one more thing. Let's see what are the messages of from the answer angels. I need to see why there is a devil here. Okay, let's see the devil in the extended reading. I need to see any other message from the angels deck. Okay, let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Is there anything which they need to know? Help me out. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having opportunity. Opportunity is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay. See what I get. No, not the right time. Okay. There are two messages which I am getting here. Perfect timing, big happy changes. Okay, perfect timing, big happy changes. For some of you Aquarius, you need your healing. You have to get out of a toxic relationship. Maybe this is for them. Okay, right now there is not the right time. Okay, there is not the right time. This is not your connection. This is person does not deserve you. Okay, then there is big happy changes and perfect timings, because I was going to get the clarification of devil first. So I get the clarification by the angels. Thank you so much for giving the clarification. This is no, this relationship is not for you Aquarius. That is very toxic. If you are still in that relationship, rest is your life, your situation, your decision. But there is a no for that toxic relationship. Okay, this player kind of energy, there is no here. Then there are happy big changes which are coming for you. So this is the perfect timing if you leave this toxic relationship. Okay, can you see, not the right time and the perfect timing, both has come here. So not the right time with the no here. No, this is not the right time. And there is big happy changes and perfect timing. I just cut it out and it says no. I was going to clarify this more. Okay, this is no. If you are in a toxic relationship for a long period of time, Aquarius, just say no to that person. Just close all the cycles if you are going through, because there is someone from your past, okay, who is your soulmate, who is your twin flame, which is coming here, which is being made for you by the divine. Okay, you need to keep your trust the divine within within the next few months. Okay, within the next few months. Then there is unlikely and there is actions. Okay, take actions. So you have to take actions, Aquarius. Within next few months you are going to get your divine counterpart, your soulmate. Can you see? You have to trust. There is a divine here, there is a divine light which is guiding you, which is protecting you, and there is a divine god, whatever you can call them. They are with you. You just have to trust them that they have a better plan for you, Aquarius. Okay, there are happy changes, big happy changes which are coming for you. Okay, right now you just need to keep your patience and you have to do your healing, Aquarius. That's what I am getting for you. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards in the deeper way so that I can get more messages for you. But from these messages I can say that you are coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. There is someone around you which is not for you, which is not for you. Okay, which is not for you, which is not your twin flame. That's the karmic soulmate, I can say that. They are very toxic, and because of them you feel like an hangman. But you are manifesting your justice, you are manifesting your success, recognition, you're manifesting your clarity, and you are getting your clarity, Aquarius. Okay, so that was the message for you. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.